whenever you walk inside, bright, the windows let in a lot of natural light everywhere. This beautiful alder wood French door takes up this entire wall. That design is incredible. The interior design is called California Casual in here. It might be one of my favorites just because the color scheme, the brightness, the incorporation of the wood elements and just neutral tones, it is amazing. But this first space is the living room area. On this right side you have your TV, a chair, a custom made furniture piece right here, a huge rug, Turkish rug right here in the middle from Etsy, and then your love seat over here, and it is really comfortable, and it's a good distance from the TV, and just being able to look out all the windows into the nature is something really special. The paint in here is all non-toxic. That is a very great concern that the hosts have put into this entire cabin, along with all the linens and such. We'll get to that in a second, but that's just something nice to note out. Anyway, the rest of the space, we got the kitchen. This island in the middle takes up the majority of it, and the rest of the kitchen space is right here behind me, and it just, I love it. This island has a really unique shape out here in the front. It curves out. There are 2 seats on that side, so you can sit in the kitchen if you want. And even if you're sitting in the kitchen, it's not right up against the living room, which is great. There's lots of space in here. The ceilings are tall. The pendants right above this island are also custom from Etsy. And then you have your sink over here on this left side. It's small. It doesn't take up a large footprint at all, which is nice, and that leaves a lot of extra countertop over here. Everything in this kitchen is custom, along with the cabinetry, shelves, and even the pottery and plates. It's all custom. There's a lot of cabinets underneath over here behind this island. You got your microwave. On this back side, you got the rest. Beautiful fridge right here. I mean, it's a full-size fridge in a tiny house, and fridges can be pretty ugly since this seems like a staple piece in this kitchen. I love the